Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kraken Pro's advanced charting tools. So, first of all, you can open the Kraken Pro application and go to the market section. Next is you can select the trading pair that you want to analyze, such as BTC or USD. Now, by tapping on it, this will open the trading screen with charts and market data. And on the trading screen, you will see the advanced chart displaying price movements over time. So you can also zoom in and zoom out of the chart using the pinch gestures to focus on different time frames like minutes, hours, or days. So you can use also the tools menu to add indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands to help analyze trends and momentum. Now you can also switch between different chart types such as candlesticks, lines, or bar charts. Depends on what suits your trading style. So you can also just view the order book, the depth chart, and recent market trades right next to the chart for better market insight. So you can take advantage of the drawing tools to mark support and resistance level or trend lines directly on the chart. And that's how you can use the Kraken Pro's advanced charting tools. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!